Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to install Scala using Apache Spark framework in Windows 10 and Windows 11 with writing a simple program. So please keep watching this video till the end without any skip. Hey guys, my name is Ganesh Ugle and welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Windows. The first of all we will see here the Savitribai Phule Pune University, the third year computer engineering students of 2019 pattern course of Data Science and Big Data Analytics Laboratory subject. So in this subject we have one practical of Scala. So let's see this practical. So this is a group A practicals. So this Scala practical in group B section. Write a simple program in Scala using Apache Spark framework. Okay, so in this practical we need to install Scala and Apache Spark framework, but we will see first the what is Scala and Apache Spark framework in short. So first of all we will see what is Scala. It is a programming language like Java and it is also supporting objects. That is, it is an object oriented functional programming language. Okay, we know that a functional programming language, and it is used in DS and BDS for scalability and functional programming. That is, we handle a big data sets and performing operations using Scala. What is Apache Spark framework? It is an interface between system and Scala. That means the core Spark is written in Scala so that it is used with Scala for easy to use, speed, native support and performance. Okay, so let's start our main setup. So this video is for Windows 10 and Windows 11 users. Okay, so please follow my all steps. Okay, so for this setup we need to install these four softwares. First of all we need to install Java, then Scala, then Spark, then VS Code. But most of the users has already installed Java and VS Code, so those users has no need to install it again. Okay, but don't skip, keep watching till the end. So first software we install Java. So let's open any web browser and search on Google Java download and press enter. The select second one website, Java download Oracle India. After, then scroll down and see here the three platforms was mentioned: Linux, Mac OS and Windows. But we are Windows users, so please select Windows option and scroll down and see here the Windows 64-bit installer. So select this link. Okay, and your download has started. Okay, so just wait. Okay, after downloading, open a file explorer and go to download option. Then see here the JDK was download. Okay, so let's install it. So see here our installation has started. So please next, click on next again. Just wait till the installation was complete. Okay, after successful installed, close this window and go to this PC. Go to C drive, local disk C, and search here program files. Open it and search here Java folder. Okay, so open the Java folder and go to JDK22. Go to bin folder, and after going to begin folder, copy this above path. Okay, copy this above path carefully. Then go to start menu and search here edit the system environmental variables. Okay, see here this option, choose this option, and in this option we have see the environmental variables. So open it, and in this the system variables the path was select. Okay, so edit the path and click on new and paste the copied path. Okay, so after paste, click on enter, then press OK. Okay, close this all windows. So Java has installed successfully or not, so let's check. So open a CMD. Okay, and put one command, Java space dash version. Please note carefully, those have already installed Java and not installed with me. So please go to start, open CMD and type this one command, and after pressing enter, if we see same as like me, this the Java version, so our Java installation was successfully installed. If you not install, so please install it again. Okay, just close this all windows. Then next we download and install Scala. So open browser and search on Google Scala download. Press enter and choose the one first official website install the Scala programming language. Okay, scroll down. So here the four platforms are there. So Mac OS, Linux and Windows. So we are the Windows users, so please select Windows option first and scroll down. Okay, and see here the current release versions. Okay, So in these versions has three versions as mentioned, so please choose any one, but we choose here the current 2.13 release version only. Okay, so choose this version, click on it. If you not seen this version, so choose any one. Okay, so they scroll down and see here the archives has second number, the .msi version. Okay, only choose the .msi versions. Okay, then after downloading, let's install it. So go to file explorer, downloads. Okay, and just install Scala. If you see like this, okay, so don't close the window, click on more info. Okay, and after run anyway. So let's start. Okay, just click on next. Click check this box agreement. Okay, click on next, again click on next, and let's install it. So just wait until it install complete successfully. Okay, so after complete successfully, click on finish. So our Scala was successfully installed or not, so check it. So go to start cmd. Okay, and type one command, Scala space dash version, press enter. The system detect our Scala. Okay, and see the version of Scala. Okay, so let's our Scala is installed successfully. Close it. Let's install Apache Spark framework. So open a browser and search on Google Spark download, and choose the one official website above, download Apache Spark. Choose this website carefully and see here download Apache Spark. The official page was opened. Okay, so first option, choose a Spark release version. Choose this version only carefully. Okay, and second option is choose a package type. So pre-built Apache Hadoop 3.3 and later. Okay, and next third option is download Spark. So click on this link. Please select these versions only. Then the above link, click on this link. Our Apache Spark downloads started, so just wait. So our Spark was download. So after downloading the Spark file, for extracting the Spark file, we need to install one more software that's name was WinRAR. Okay, so this is mandatory to install. Search on Google WinRAR download and press enter. Then just select the first website, the latest version WinRAR download. Okay, and see here, then select this option and download the WinRAR software. After done the downloading, just go to file explorer and see here our WinRAR and Spark file was there. So now we first install the WinRAR software. Okay, so select the WinRAR software and install it. This is very mandatory to install first for extracting the Spark. Select this ISO jar, this all, mark this all. Okay, and okay, then after done, our Spark file was looks like this. So this file was ready to extract now. So please extract this zip file. Okay, so just right click on it and select extract here option and extract it here and just wait. So after extracting, you have see the extracted folder and rename this first. Okay, so rename it Spark 3.5.1. Okay, and press enter. After renaming, the copy this folder carefully, copy or cut any, choose any option, and go local disk drive C and paste it here and just wait till paste copying this folder. So after copying, please open this Spark folder and go to bin and just copy this above path. Okay, so just copy this above path carefully and go to edit the system environmental variable. Again click on environmental variable. So in the environmental variable option, we see the two paths, system variables and user variables for Ganesh. Okay, so let's choose above path and edit it. Double click on it and click on new and paste it here, the copied path. Okay, press enter and okay. In below path, double click on it, open it and again new and paste it here also. Okay, then just click on OK. So our Spark was successfully installed or not, so let's check it. So go to start and search cmd, open the cmd command prompt and type one command, spark dash shell, don't give space, spark dash shell in lowercase, and press enter and just wait till the Apache Spark start. So successfully our Apache Spark was started. Okay, So our Spark was installed successfully. So just don't close this window, just minimize it. And after minimizing, just go to web browser and search here localhost and with port number 4040 and press enter. If you see this website, okay, if you see this page, so assume it you are successfully installed the Spark. Just minimize it. So let's go to next installation. So let's install the VS Code. If you already installed, only see how to install it. So go to web browser, very simple to install. Search VS Code download. Open the first website, okay, and click on Windows for Windows. So after click on it, so our VS Code was download successfully. So let's install it. Double click on it. So accept the agreements and click on next, next, and check the box, create a desktop icon. Then next, install. So very simple to install, and just wait until the installing completed. Done. Then click on finish. So our VS Code was started. So here please carefully note that one file option was there above. So please click on it and select the option open folder. So choose any location you want. I will choose the desktop location, and here I will create a new folder and give it name the Spark programs. Okay, select it and click on select folder option. So we enter the Spark program folder. Click on yes, trust the author. So we are in Spark program folder. So click on extension option and search here one extension pack for Java, or search only simple Java, and just wait and see here the first extension pack for Java. So please install it. I have already installed in my VS Code. So these 4 extensions I have already installed it. Okay, so please install it and search second extension Scala. Okay, so see here the first extension Scala syntax official. So please install it in your VS Code carefully. Okay, done. Then next extension Scala metals. Install it again. So done install. Okay, close this all and go to files explorer. Then click on the Spark programs and click on this option new file. Okay, you have look like so many options. So please select the first option new file and create a new file and give it name hello.scala. Okay, please carefully give the extension .scala, and it is mandatory to set the extension .scala. After pressing enter, some packages was installed here or downloading. So close it. Okay, then next search one program on Google, hello world program in Scala. Okay, so we see here how to run it. So just copy this program. This is a Scala program. Okay, and in this file please paste it here. So after paste it here, please save this file carefully. First save this file, then after saving click on this. Okay, so open a new terminal and type one command Scala C space our program name. So my program name was hello.scala and press enter. So after pressing enter, our program was compiled. So see here our VS Code has created two files .class, so didn't give any error. Okay, so after for run the program, please type one command Scala space our program name. Then see here our program was run successfully. One output was there, hello world. Okay, so our Scala installation and Apache Spark framework was successful installed in our machine. You can also close this window also. Friends, for your confirmation, I have taken a screenshot of all installation steps and created a one PDF file. Okay, and this PDF file I have already give you in my description of this video. So download it and you can see the all installation steps was there. If you have any error occurs in your installation or any problem in your installation, so please contact me in, I have already put my all social media in my description. Okay, or leave a comment if you have any problem. I try to solve your problem. So till then, keep learning. Bye bye.